Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about page and page variants in details with an example. In ServiceNow UI Builder, a variant is basically an alternate version of the same page. Think of it like this: one page can have multiple variants and each variant can show different content based on a condition. We use variants when we want the same page URL or page experience to behave differently depending on something such as user role, user criteria or audience. To start, I have a workspace named test and I have given it a role of ITIL. So it's visible to users with the ITIL role. We also have two roles, ITIL1 and ITIL2, both with the ITIL role. So if I impersonate either of them, they are able to see this workspace. So if I impersonate as any one of the user, let's say ITIL1, so he is able to see the workspace test. Now going back to the UI builder, let me create a page, create from scratch instead, and the page name is demo. Click on continue. For now, we are skipping the parameters as we do not need any parameters right now. Here it asks me for a variant name. So I give it as demo default one. For now, I'm not adding any audience here, which means this page is visible to everyone who can access this workspace. Click on continue. Here it may add a heading component. Before that, let me select single column layout, and in that let me add heading component. Click on add. So I'm changing the label here in the configuration panel and giving it as this is a new page. Save. After saving this, I'm going back to experience setting page, where in experience setting I added landing page as demo page. So whenever a user opens this test workspace, they land directly on this demo page and see the message, this is a new page. So to verify that, let me open this test page. You can see here, it shows content as this is a new page. Now, I don't want everyone to see the same message or content when they open this test workspace. What I want instead is that when they land on a demo page, ITIL1 should see the message, hello ITIL1, welcome, and ITIL2 should see the message, hello ITIL2, welcome. To achieve this, I need to create two roles. For that, go to roles table. Click on new. Create a test role, name as test role 1. Submit. And similarly create another role, that is test role 2. So I want to assign these roles to the ITIL1 and ITIL2 users. To this ITIL1, I am adding test role 1. Similarly for ITIL2, I am adding test role 2. So now we understand that ITIL1 user can access the workspace and also has test role 1. And similarly, the ITIL2 user can access the workspace and also has test role 2. So if you go back to our workspace, if you look at the demo page, it is already having a variant called demo default 1. So let us create another variant named demo variant 2 or demo default 2. So either we can duplicate the existing variant or we can create a new variant from the scratch. For now, I'm just duplicating this existing variant demo default 1 and changing this name as demo default 2. Click on create. If we check both variants at this point, they are showing the same content, which is this is a new page. Now going back to default 1 variant, open the settings and under audience, click on manage audience and click on add audience. So to add a new audience, to create a new audience, we have to click on open audience in platform so that it will take us to a sys UX applicability table where we can create new audience here. So to create a new audience, click on new and I'm giving name as ITIL1 audience. And in the roles, I'm adding the role as test role 1. So we know that this role is already created and it is given to ITIL1 user. Click on submit and similarly create another audience. ITIL2 audience and give role as test role 2. This role is given to ITIL2 user. After that, go back to the platform and here refresh. Again, click on manage audience, add audience, and in the audience tab, search for ITIL audience 1. As we configuring demo default 1 variant, so I'm selecting ITIL1 audience and clicking on save. Click on done and in the content, go to the headings component and change the label as hello ITIL1 welcome. Save this. Similarly, go back and for this demo default 2, click on settings and in the audience, click on add audience and search for ITIL2 audience. Click on save and apply. After that, open the demo default 2 page variant. In the heading component, change the label as hello ITIL2 welcome. Click on save. Now, if you observe here, we have two variants. One is demo default 1 and one is demo default 2. And demo default 1 is containing text as hello ITIL1 welcome, and whereas demo default 2 containing text as hello ITIL2 welcome. So when I impersonate as ITIL1 user and when I open this test workspace, shows content as hello ITL1, welcome. Similarly, if I impersonate as ITIL2 user and I open test workspace, it shows content as hello ITIL2, welcome. If you observe here, both are using the same page URL, but based on the audience we applied for the variants, it shows the content differently for different users. This is how we use page variants and audience in the UI Builder. That's it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and comment if you are having any questions. Thank you.